Hi, I'm Nera and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to get to know Canva AI, an artificial intelligence tool integrated with Canva that helps us create designs more quickly, easily, and creatively. And even if we have no design experience, our presentations will turn out great. Super cool. What is Canva and what can we do with it? I'm sure you already know Canva because it's been on the market for a long time and has mainly been used in educational settings. But Canva now has a feature that uses artificial intelligence to help us generate and enhance visual content. With this tool, we can create designs from a simple written idea, generate images, create presentations, which is its core function, edit photos, remove elements from an image, and change styles. Get creative ideas in a matter of seconds. It also allows us to save a lot of time when preparing content for social media, assignments, projects, or presentations, since it helps us go from an idea to a complete design in a much more efficient way. In addition, we can personalize and adjust the results according to our specific tastes and needs to achieve a more professional look or a more relaxed finish. And here we have the Canva website, Canva AI. Or there, okay? Right here on the official website itself, it already clearly highlights absolutely everything we can do with this powerful new version where they have fully integrated advanced artificial intelligence. It shows us exactly how to introduce our own unique brand, how to enter specific prompts, and how we have this helpful AI assistant where we can very easily interact with it, and it will guide us along the way. We certainly won't be able to cover all of these features 100% today, but even they, right there on their very own website, they already carefully guide us through everything we can possibly do with this brand new assistant. Everything about this process is incredibly fast, from collaborative comments to having a dedicated designer to help us understand our ideas, and even an AI that will help us fully master and refine our unique brand identity, whether we are in a work or professional environment or even acting as students. Because if we have specific favorite colors or something we really like, we can even create our very own personal brand so that all of our projects look consistent and similar. And right here, it tells us how we can even design securely, which is an extremely important factor when we talk about the world of AI. The assistant is ideal for creators, for advertising, for creatives, for sales professionals. And here are a ton of features and technologies that Canva can help us with. Intuitive design, text, image, description design, alternative templates. Well. A ton of things, right? So how exactly do you use the assistant? Well, first of all, we definitely have to register, right? You can sign in or register, log in, and so on. Basically, these are just some of the initial steps we need to take, along with looking at what the most frequently asked questions are. Their most powerful products, and if we go all the way to the top, we have the entire comprehensive design section. Digital design, design printing, high-resolution images and photos, and advanced videos and audio. Their different products, the very latest releases, the visual suite, brand management, as I mentioned before, the app marketplace, or even everything this new version of artificial intelligence offers us. Also the various subscription plans, right? We have the free version, which is the one we're going to try now, but there's also the Pro for home use, but then there's Pro, Business, Enterprise, NGO, Education, which is the one I know best, as I mentioned, because of the schools. Businesses, how can Canva help? Specifically for modern businesses, that is, it has already taken a massive leap. It is certainly no longer just a free Canva for creating certain customizations, but as you can see, it's also very much geared towards supporting and improving overall business efficiency and productivity. Then there is the whole educational side, which I think is what Canva is best known for, or at least that's how I first knew about Canva. And then the help section. So let us go ahead and try out Canva AI. Out. Right here it says you can try it for free or otherwise use Canva Businessy. I'm going to completely close this window. We're going to do it 100% free for today. Here, if we browse a bit, we have the homepage, which is where we are now. We can do stunning magic layers, high quality printing, dynamic presentations, engaging videos and social media, everything you need for your social networks. Notice that it already gives us we need to consider the specific size and orientation we should use if we want to post on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even LinkedIn, that more professional side of things, or if we want to create high-quality YouTube thumbnails, whatever it may be. We will actually try making a custom YouTube thumbnail together a bit later on. We have photos, we can remove backgrounds, use the magic eraser. If there's a person in the background, I can have it removed, a magic capture, text capture, or generate backgrounds. We can produce high quality videos, and we can generate professional documents. We can make interactive online whiteboards, spreadsheets with complex formulas, and ask it for anything we want. This really depends on what you do for a living. It can be truly amazing. Code generation with Canva, building websites, drafting emails, and so much more. Let's do what we mentioned earlier about social media. Let's make a YouTube thumbnail. So here it is already available for us to use. Well, right here, it gives us all of its various suggestions. Okay, we have in the main menu the templates, but we also have different elements in case we want to add, say, a small icon of a French fry right over here, or symbols, or really whatever else we want. That is to say, we can even create it entirely from scratch, okay? Of course, we can also add our own text. It also suggests many different apps or predefined text styles. Remember, the little crown icon means you have to pay for that feature, okay? Brand. If we had our very own brand, we could add it here. Notice that we also have the specific option for a brand kit. In this specific case right here, there is nothing here yet, but we could have all our distinctive logos, our colors, our fonts, and our brand voice if we recorded our voices, photos, and components. That is, we can have an entire library for our company here, so that everything we create with Canva, whether it's presentations, videos, thumbnails, or whatever, we already have that library of elements we've worked on and want to keep. We also have uploads, tools, and projects, which is also important because we are able to organize all our work by projects. For example, the TikTok project, the YouTube project, the Instagram project, the Facebook project, or the project my boss one asked me for, boss 2's project, or the math project, the language project, the science project. So let's just go ahead and do any quick test. It really doesn't matter which one. Let's pick this one right here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, from here, you can clearly see that it's all very simple. We can even ask Canva, which is the integrated AI part, okay? And we simply tell it, I want it to. Let's take a deep dive and talk specifically about Nera, which is prominently displayed right there in the main title. And then just like that, with a sudden bam, we are going to step forward and officially ask for it right now. Hello, I wanted to talk. In the end, the ideal thing here is that with the whole menu we've been looking at with the elements and everything else, we could change the main things ourselves. And if not, we can just ask it. And it tells us, hey, here are 3 title options that talk about Nera AI. Let's see which ones, right? Nera AI, your creative assistant for authentic content. Discover Nera AI, create content that connects smart ideas with real results. Well, look at this specific one right here. So it is already giving it to us. Yeah. What happens is that, as I was saying before, in the end, it is going to help us significantly with the entire process of that idea generation. But we still have to finish the work ourselves, okay? So now I am going to tell it, please give me 3, or at least 3, give me 3 distinct images related to the guide and let us see what it gives us, okay? Because of course, these 3 girls in the picture, they are very cute, but they really have nothing to do with the theme of the artificial intelligence channel, right? We could even ask it for icons later if we don't see anything useful here, right? To change those icons for something more technological, okay? Here we can click on See All in the icon section. These are quite straightforward, but still, I wouldn't completely rule out that it could give us icons oriented towards modern technology or artificial intelligence. Now, moving on to the images section, as we might have expected, it is performing a little bit slower, okay? Here, we are going to tell the system the exact same thing, right? But even more so, given the specific title provided, I really wanted this, well, it is still thinking and processing, okay? So this title it gave me, which was inserted outside, we are still waiting for this to finish, okay? And in the meantime, we can still continue to work on the slide part itself. So we can see various options here, like removing the background, resizing elements, adding items, pasting content, or even separating the image from the background. Furthermore, we can add helpful guides to assist us in centering everything perfectly. The different images, the text, and everything else we're adding. Here we have the background remover that we saw earlier, which is something new they've added, but that's not the case here. We can choose to edit the image, the page, or even the background color. All right, so, hey, let's make it a bit more blue. The thing is, doing this actually removes that cool gradient it had before. Well, we can actually set it up like this instead. This would already be the exact same usual Canva interface we've always used, including even the brand kit. Look, while I was just talking here, we've already got all the images generated. So now, with just a simple single click, it already adds them right in the image itself. Let's see if my mouse lets me. And now here, let's see if we can do it. Narita, let's do it. We can't make it any smaller. There. And what I really want to do right now is to move you. I want to move you immediately. Okay, so let's go ahead and cover up this emoji and then head back over here to see what other 3 specific images it has provided for us. Well, let's take a moment to remove these 2 items and this one right here as well. Let's carefully remove this. Let's place this over here for now. And let's also get rid of these small icons here. Well, we could potentially put our own channel logo right there. Okay, and now let's take the time to tell the system exactly what we are looking for and what we want to achieve next. I would like 3 specific icons if you could. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to add them to the background. Well, as you can see, this allows us, instead of having to create our collage or our presentation ourselves, to just ask the AI directly, and it completely eliminates the tedious need for us to manually search on the internet or in various different search engines for the specific images or the creative ideas we want. In fact, notice that I asked it for something very simple, which is to help me with the title. But if this presentation were more complete, imagine for a project, I could have already prepared it, or even without having prepared it, as we've seen in other videos. Here it could even help me generate or improve that text, or I could ask to do it in a more familiar tone or in a more professional tone, etc. And also, all of our previous conversations will stay right here in the history, so we can continue that specific conversation a bit later on, whether I decide to continue working with the images, or perhaps with the text, or even with the title. Let's take a moment to see what it gives us for the icons. Notice here, the very first one for me is more like a standard image, but right here it clearly has icons. Well, we would either have to manually crop them since we're already here. I assume it's around here. It really should have some options. We could potentially start by creating various layers and so on, or we could probably use the cropping tool. Let's see, here it is right here, okay? So we would crop this image specifically so that the individual icons are separate, right? Then we would add this one again and tell the system, I don't actually want to crop it this time because I only want the one at the very top, for example, more or less. In the end, the core idea is that what we're seeing here is a comprehensive presentation creation tool with a vast array of options and features. They already give us, look, these absolutely magical recommendations. Let's see, the whole plan is really cool, isn't it? We haven't had a clear idea yet. Well, this is the idea, right? I really like these because, well, here now we could specifically tell it not to have a background, just the outline like a PNG file and so on. But just look at how cool and how cute everything is. We even had this one here that we haven't seen yet, the truly magic part. Well, as you can see, we can do 1,000 different things. If we create several, we can add transitions and the possibilities are endless. Really, look, there are even more icons. They're really cool, but just look at everything that's here. It's just wonderful. Well, this is like a toy. To me, this seems super entertaining. In fact, it has so many options. I use it, for example, when we go on a trip. It's the tool my kids use to prepare for the trip. I think it's really interesting that when we go on a trip, they know where we're going. To find out exactly what's interesting to see. Learn a bit more about the rich history of that area or city. And it's a helpful tool they use both at school and at home to prepare their presentations. In fact, we can also use it at work. And it's widely used even for creating detailed infographics. It has truly remarkable potential. It has a ton of options. And I think the fact that they've added AI here can help us fully unlock its potential. So, because it's going to help us so much more. So that those creative texts, concepts, or innovative ideas that we sometimes run out of with this advanced artificial intelligence assistant tool I've shown you today will significantly help us make our leisure or professional presentations end up with truly powerful and engaging content. And that is everything for today's video about using Canva AI. As you've seen, like I said, it's super powerful. I think it's very useful and it can help us develop the creativity that it can really help make all your creative design tasks much easier and help you explore 1,000 different ideas that might come to your mind. If you truly like this content today, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos about exciting new digital tools, and let me know in the comments section what other Canva features you've already tried out. I will see you in the very next video. Goodbye for now.